How to turn off notifications on TikTok. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to turn off notifications on TikTok. Now let's get started. First we need to open our TikTok app. Then we need to open our profile just by clicking on the profile icon at the right bottom. Now we should click on the three lines at the top right corner. In the pyramid menu, we need to tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Then we should find option Push Notifications and click on it. Now you can switch off notifications for likes, comments, new followers, mentions and tags, profile views, and reposts, and of course direct messages if you wish. You can turn off other notifications that you would like to switch off. And that's all. It was how to turn off notifications on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.